Hey coders, whether you're building the next big app, creating a game, or crunching data, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best software for coders that you absolutely need in your toolkit. Let's dive in. At number 7 is Apache Cordova. If you want to use standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build mobile apps, Cordova is for you. It's lightweight, open source, and perfect for those transitioning from web development to mobile apps. Next up is GitHub, the go-to platform for version control and collaboration. With millions of repositories, it's where developers across the globe come together to work on projects, share code, and even discover jobs. Number 5, OutSystems. Want to develop enterprise apps at lightning speed? OutSystems is a low-code platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage applications without diving deep into traditional coding. From prototypes to full-scale solutions, OutSystems lets you focus on solving problems rather than writing endless lines of code. At number 4, we have Unity. While it's primarily a game engine, Unity is incredible for AR and VR app development. Its vast asset store and strong community support make it a go-to for immersive experiences. At number 3 is Android Studio. If Android apps are your focus, this is a must-have. It's packed with features like code editing, debugging, and testing tools tailored specifically for Android. At number 2, Jupyter.org. This interactive coding environment is a favorite among data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. With support for Python, R, and Julia, Jupyter Notebooks make it easy to visualize data and share your work seamlessly. And finally, the top spot goes to Visual Studio. This all-in-one IDE from Microsoft is ideal for large-scale projects. It supports various languages, has incredible debugging tools, and integrates seamlessly with Azure for cloud development. That wraps up our list of the top 7 best software for coders. Did your favorite make the list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!